How to Connect HayDay with Facebook. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to connect HayDay with Facebook. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Connecting HayDay with Facebook can help invite your Facebook friends to play HayDay with you. See what your friends are doing in HayDay and save your progress in HayDay to Facebook. So to connect HayDay with Facebook, firstly, make sure your HayDay application is updated to its latest version. You can do this update in your Play Store or your App Store. Then start by opening the HayDay application on your device. Make sure that you are logged into your HayDay account, and now look for the settings option by tapping on the three lines located on the top left corner of the screen. Tap on that and select Settings to access the Game Settings menu. On the Settings menu, you will notice that you have options to edit your game. You can also connect to HayDay using your Game Center or log in using the Supercell ID. Unfortunately, HayDay does not allow connecting with Facebook because according to HayDay Facebook page, this Facebook login expired in 2021 due to technical reasons and they stopped supporting the Facebook feature. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.